Very good evening to everyone. For today's Excel training, I'll be teaching you on how to copy out the records that you want under a hidden cell. Okay, so basically what you can see here is that we have country and sales here. And for example, we have Malaysia. Malaysia, I put all indirectly in yellow colors. Okay, so basically there are also USA, Indonesia, and Singapore. For those not highlighted one, okay, we need to hide the cells. Okay, so basically you hide USA, Indonesia, and Singapore. Okay, if there's a Malaysia in between Singapore here, you need to press the Control C. Okay, then after that right click, then hide the cell. So basically you only want the yellow cells for Malaysia to be copied out at the bottom. So how do you do that? Most of the times that sometimes when we use the copy and paste function, right, sometimes people will think that it will work. Sometimes people after when they paste it out and then they see, how come the hidden things like row 6 and 7 also appears up. Then after that they will do the manual delete. So these things itself is wasting of your time. So for example, what I'm trying to teach you here is that if let's say you want to copy this Malaysia out, right? So you press Ctrl C and then you put at the bottom cells here and then you paste it. Okay, you can see that these things under the hidden cells above in row 6 and 7, right? It appears up also for you. So this is not the methods that I want to copy out. Okay, I only want to copy out this Malaysia, all the yellow one to be appearing on my cell. So what I need to do here is that I need to use this summary note. First of all, okay, what you need to do here is that you highlight these four records that you want and then press alternate uh, then with the semicolon. Okay, then after that you press Control C and then move to the cells that you want and then press Control V. Okay, so this is the actual way that if you want those records to only appear out for those that you want, okay, in highlighted in yellow color, all the country in Malaysia only will be appearing out for you. So basically, instead of just using copy and paste, Control C and Control V, you need to put one more step, which is using the alternate plus with the semicolon before you perform the Control C and Control V. I hope this information is helpful for you, and I hope to continue on with my other videos in due course. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and bye bye.